Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to chapter 4 of It's Only to Be Invincible. This, what exactly is going on? Could it be the sex secret technique, resurrection of the deceased? Senior brother Lou, what exactly happened? I'm not here. Everyone, calm down. I have never been dead. Do you think there is a possibility that he has immortality? You are really getting more and more absurd. Who could possibly have immortality? How can you survive being blown up by a cannon? Are you kidding me? This. According to my years of research, it's not entirely impossible to survive being hit by a cannon. In the south, there is a nation where there are many who can withstand cannons. As long as you avoid the shockwave during the bombardment and use its recoil to move away from the explosion center, according to my analysis using Al Hospital's rule and Squeeze theorem, the chance of our hero enduring the cannon fire is greater than 11.45141%. Wow! I never expected that my subtle moves were entirely within the scope of your analysis. How should I address the two of you? Oh heavens, you are not dead. I fantasized countless times about the scene of reuniting with you, but I never thought you'd still be alive. Damn, I'm not wearing any clothes. Isn't this a bit inappropriate? Alright, send our hero to bathe and change into fresh attire. Hero. Fuck, who touched my butt just now? Even though I haven't managed to escape yet, I have inexplicably become a hero. So there will definitely be significant benefits in the future. How is everything? Do you feel better after changing clothes? Are you experiencing any discomfort? No significant trouble. Everything is as lively as ever. Alright, as the greatest contributor to the battle, we will ensure you are well compensated. As expected, our sect is affluent and possesses a vast area of natural resources and treasures. Nonetheless, the most powerful asset of our sect is our medicinal pills used for healing and rescuing people. As long as the injured person still has a breath, they can be brought back to life. We have unanimously decided to bestow the Sun Flame Elixir upon the greatest hero of this battle, the Nameless Hero. So senior brother, where is this precious elixir now? That's exactly what you are holding. I see. So this is what I had just now. Fuck, I fucking ate it. It seems junior brother is doing well. Now I am relieved. Please make sure to get some good rest. You just left such a valuable item lying around. Aren't you going to explain? Hey, are you Lin fan? Jang Long. Yes, that's me. It looks like I have encountered a fan. With your cultivation and physique, I Jang Long. Do not believe it. Huh? What would it take for you to believe that? Let's have a match, and if you win, I'll believe you. As expected, it's the same old trick, but I'm not agreeing to it. Do you think a hero would be scared of you? Huh? Alright, also to avoid others accusing me being unfair to you, I'll give you a day to rest. We don't care. See you at the training ground tomorrow. I'll reveal your real face with my own hands. But I didn't even say anything. Well, the chapter ends here, guys. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next chapter very soon. Thank you.